We are starting out day 3 of our experience. It almost feels kind of like a day 4. And we have made it from Arizona, where we were yesterday, to Shiprock, New Mexico. And I don't know if you've ever been to the Shiprock in New Mexico. There's a town named Shiprock, and then about 20 miles out of town is the Shiprock, which is one of those old volcano cores. Chad's up in the air with his Mavic 3 already, and
well, almost.
You're not up in the air?
No, I'm not with the Mavic 3.
Oh, what are you using? The Air 3S?
I am.
Oh, okay. He's up in the air with his Air 3S. So, anyway, we are here. We hope that us and you enjoy the third day of our tour. And so, for now, let's roll that intro. Oh, well, we are now leaving Shiprock on after the earlier morning type shooting out here, and this is possibly the bumpiest road that I don't know. I mean, we've been on some good bumps in the past. I mean, we think Crystal Mills, we think the road out to Maverick Point. They have some bumps, and of course, obviously the Hurrah Pass that we did, but they're not consistently bumpy like this one. This is just does not have a smooth spot between the Shiprock itself and the paved road, which is about 5 or 6 miles long. Just under 10 miles from Shiprock is another smaller, yet still huge, volcanic plug named Cathedral Cliff. We couldn't resist stopping for a few minutes and getting some additional drone time. This was my first time to try some serious flying with the anti-gravity A1 using FPV mode. That has become my new favorite way to fly it. Well, we are approaching Well, actually, before that, we're going to get to the Valley of the Dreams. And boy, talk about a cowtown road. We are going down this. Oh, my goodness gracious! That old Chad, he knows how to find every single bump. I tell you,
There's no shadows or something.
yeah, they're really hard to see. I think I'll put this outside for a minute just to let you get a good look at what we're looking at here. Well, it turns out that the Garmin GPS had us going to a different place than what our real goal was. So we got off of that cowtown road and back onto something that's still a dirt road, but a whole lot better than that one. So we hopefully are on our way to the parking area for the Valley of Dreams, and I think there's, what's the name of the Alien Throne. All right, we're here at the parking area for what they call the Valley of the Dreams. Boy, we got some beautiful clouds came in. This morning there was nothing. Yesterday there was nothing, but beautiful clouds came in. Anyway, so Chad is going to go do a little exploring with his aerial camera to see if we can find what's out there. So appreciate Chad being so willing to be the experimental guy here. Look at that smile. He's so excited. All right, well, here we go. Off on our way to Valley of the Dreams. And looks like an interesting place. Out here in the middle of nowhere. Well, I think we found the general area of the Alien Throne, which is supposed to be maybe the most famous of the formations. Having trouble thinking of the word. Of the formations here in this area. We haven't found the Alien Throne yet, but I think we will. It hasn't been a bad trek, really. Not as bad as I suspected. But there's some cool stuff around here. I'm excited to be here. Well, we kind of think we found the Alien Throne, but we're not positive. But now, the big question is, how do we get over to it? Oh, we're trying to inch our way over towards it. There's a lot of deep canyons between us and it. Well, can you see why they call this the Valley of the Dreams? My goodness gracious. As we were wandering around trying to find a path to what we thought was the Alien Throne, we found what we now think is the Alien Throne. So here it is. We're going to try to maybe get this from a couple different angles with the sun the way it's shining the way it is. But the nice thing from this angle is you see most of the holes through it. So thank heavens we found it, and we can count this one as another check mark off of the bucket list. Yeah, well, for a few minutes we thought we were going to have to call in a helicopter to rescue us because we couldn't get out the same way we came in. But Chad, my shore-footed billy goat, found a route which gets us down and out. Eventually, we're sure. We're confident. A little tricky on the footwork, but we're doing it. We're doing it. All right. Yeah, okay. And on we go. Onward. After a great time at Shiprock, Cathedral Cliffs, and Valley of Dreams, we've got to head home. But what just happens to be on the way? Yes, Mexican hat. So we'll tip our Mexican hat to you as we bid another fond farewell. Stay tuned for more. This is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, and until next time, keep on keeping on.